play one. I haven't played any of these. Special targets, with one unlocking every day at 12 o'clock. By default, you can play today's target. If you have Plus membership, you can also play past. Wow. Interesting. Least code possible. So this is the color. And this is the background. I'll just do body, ground. Cool. Kind of imagine that that's just centered. I think translate is the thing, right? Let's translate X. Position, absolute. So the height, is 60, 70, 65, 67, 68, 68, and then the width is, I don't know, 200? Actually wonder if I should, it probably would be a good idea to nest this. Can't make a self-closing div though. So we're going to do the lower left-hand corner, which is going to have minus 100% X and plus 100% Y. And the left is 0 and the top, I guess the bottom is 0. And then the width is 80, 40. The height is 90. It's 130. No, 50. 145. 140 again. So this is what we have. What we have is too small. What we have is too big. Still too big. I think this is what we have. What they have. Still too big. Okay, that's fine for now. C is going to be similar. This one, the X will be 100%, the Y will be negative 100%, and the top will be 0, and the right will be 0. Now, we could try to simplify here a little bit. Do B, C, do that. And then we can remove these and this. Let's make it 40 for now. And then there's D and E. E, F, G. So we'll make the sizes for those 4. D, E, F, G. They are squared. Absolute background. D. We'll translate. I'll do right 0, top 0, and then the transform, the translate is 100 pixels. Oh, is it D? Yeah, D. What about E? Maybe it should be left. Should be negative. It should be left. It should be negative. Oh, they're a little big. They're just off. Maybe translate it a little bit more. Mine are too far over to the right. I'll try 45 for now. Like 100 to 300, so yeah, 200 width seems about right. This is 100 to 60, so 40 width seems right. 45 to 15, so 30 seems like it'd be correct. And if this is 45, this is 100, 60, so 15. Negative 45 is correct. Okay. And then we need to do F and G. No, that's not the letter G. Doesn't look too bad. Can I submit it? How do I submit? I just want to see the percent I get, and then we can clean it up. Just sign up with Google real quick. Oh, 98.9. Huh. What's this do? Okay, it shows me that how much it's off by. So I think we can actually do like A, B, C, D. We can just do div. We can just do this. And then we can remove that from everything else. Okay, what if this is... Can I easily change this? Okay. So the more I go, the worse it gets. Okay. And this one just seems to be off by a few pixels, so let's fix that. Go down here. Six. Okay. We got 100%. So then the question becomes, can we optimize? So the question is STY LE. Typing out a style would take up more space than this does. Do we have an option to in mode? Interesting. Yeah, I think I'm happy with this overall. Are we allowed to? No. I think we might not need to do tops. Over lefts of 0. So we can get rid of those. That'll help us a little bit. Apparently we don't need to put pixels, which I just learned recently. Pixel is just assumed. What are the global stats? Average score, average characters. Okay, wow, 570. How do we get 570? That's remarkable. Like other than minifying, like we were at 800. Get rid of that. Apparently, we can't. Wait, what happened? Oh, you can't get rid of it for translate. That's interesting. But you can get rid of it for width and height. We don't need 0 for left. We were at 863, but now we're at 631. Some people on average get 570, so I need to figure out a way to cut 60 characters. So we can expand this. Yep. That. There's this. I don't need that. Just grinding for characters here. Yeah, I mean, we're better than average. I think we could probably get down to like 500, to be honest. Once we like remove all these spaces, we'll be killing it. We could probably do D, E, and take this from here. And then we could do F, G. Try to find any more space optimizations. We don't need that. So F and G both have a right 0. So we could do that. We no longer even need F. We can get rid of this. So we could also just like do the math here. Translate. We could translate the X and then manually do the Y. Or no, we can. No. Oh, there's some spaces here. There's a space here. And another space here. Okay, we're at 600. Let's submit. $863 would be like. Okay. If we looked at how tall B is, which is 100 pixels, we could probably say negative 100 here. And get rid of this 100%. And if we did left, negative 40, and just kept doing things like that. For this one, the width is 196, so 98, and then this canvas is 400, so 200 minus 90 is 102, and the height is 150, so half of that is 75. 75 and 34. 75 minus 34. 34 is 41. And then if we remove the translate, um, 150. What am I talking about? 150 minus 34. 150 minus 34 is 116. And then we can do the right here, which is 0 minus 100%, which would be minus C is 40, so minus 40. And then the top is minus 100. And then we can remove the translate. So if we use left here, we don't need the PX anymore. And then if we just did 46 here, we wouldn't need translate at all. Bottom, oh, we don't need this semicolon anymore. Very close to getting it sub 400. I don't think divs are self-closing though, unfortunately. Like, I don't, yeah, this just doesn't work. Go through real quick again. Make sure there's no semicolons, looking for extra spaces. So the only extra spaces are these ones at this point. And then here's another extra space. Okay. I'll submit again, 605.4, I guess. Okay, that's our high score. A little above average in terms of score, and very far below average in average characters. Nearly 200 less than the average.